Today, I'm going to make Dakgangjeong, sweet crunchy chicken. Have you ever made my sweet crunchy chicken, Dakgangjeong? That's the like a number 2 most popular recipe among all hundreds of recipes, right after my kimchi recipe. Actually, I'm traveling now and then I'm at the beach house. Until yesterday, I ate a lot of seafood, but today I feel like some sweet crunchy chicken. I stopped by local grocery store, found some ingredients that I use. Today, I'm going to use boneless chicken. Very fast. You know why? Because I'm using boneless chicken. Cooking time is very fast. Let's get started. 1 pound chicken tenderloin, around 2-inch strips. Soak this in milk and half cup for 1 pound chicken. The reason I use milk is that milk makes the kind of more juicy. And also, sometimes like a chicken has a little kind of gamey smell, but all gone. Now I'll keep this in the refrigerator. At least 30 minutes, keep in the refrigerator. Okay, I'm going to wash this and then come back again. I always use rice syrup, but I forgot to bring. So yesterday I went to local store and I found this corn syrup, dark corn syrup. So we need half a cup. And 1 tablespoon sugar. And soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. This is apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons. This is optional, but I always use this. Yellow mustard, so 1 tablespoon. And mix. Mix well until this sugar is well melted. Next, when I stir fry, I need this guy. This is ginger. Ginger is around 1 tablespoon or 2 teaspoons, kind of this size. And 2 garlic cloves. You can mince or just slice. And ginger. These are small dried red pepper. So this is around 7. So syrup, and we are going to stir fry first. So chicken is marinated in milk. Drain the milk and still wet. Put it back into my bowl. Half teaspoon salt. Black pepper, around 1/4 teaspoon. And mix. Now it's time to coat with starch. Another method to coat very easily, efficiently, and fast. This is the Ziploc bag. So 1 cup potato starch. First add this here. And chicken. And coat evenly. Each piece of chicken should be coated nicely so that it will turn out very crunchy. Now I'm going to make just a sauce, cooking sauce. Then after that we are going to fry. Just a medium heat. And little bit oil. This is vegetable oil. I'm going to use this oil for frying today. See? Garlic and ginger and red pepper. First, garlic and ginger. Wow, nice. Frying garlic ginger already make this house smells good. And then red pepper. Red pepper is once I put it, just it's burnt. So that's why I didn't stir fry together. Okay, now it's a little brownish. Then sauce. Sauce we already made. Stir gently. So lower the heat over low heat. Wow, it's bubbling and nicely cooking. Very hot. Be careful when you cook. Now the sauce is done. Set aside. Let's fry the chicken. 4 cups oil, cooking oil, corn oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, all. So we are going to wait until this is hot enough for the chicken to be fried. 7 to 10 minutes until this reaches 350 Fahrenheit. I'm wearing these gloves to massage my chicken. The chicken like this, just one by one. A lot of bubbles, right temperature. Cooking so quickly. So split this. I gotta make 2 batches. So this is, I cooked 4 minutes. And split. My second batch is fried. Look at that. This is a first fried. So, as you know, what makes Korean fried chicken very special? Double fry. So I'm going to double fry and then, but let's check out the temperature, 330. So I'm going to wait a little longer. I just wait around 1 minute. This time, I don't need to do batch by batch, just whole together. These days, in Korea, street food sells this type of Dakgangjeong, so boneless chicken, boneless Dakgangjeong. I fried 3 more minutes, and now very nice crunchy. Okay. So I'm using peanuts. You guys can use your favorite nuts. Just 10 seconds. Make it crunchy. And turn off. So look at this one. A little sticky. Just reheat this sauce until bubbling. Chicken. Sesame seeds. Boneless Dakgangjeong. Around 10 minutes later, split this guy. Easily you can split this and then just not stick to each other. I'm not a cook person, but today is exceptional because of Dakgangjeong and once in a while. And chicken, and also be sure to make this mu pickle, radish pickle, so it go well together. Did you hear that the sound? Crunchy. Cheers, everybody. sweet and crunchy. Enjoy my boneless Dakgangjeong. See you next time. Bye.